Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today and tomorrow, I'm going to be kind of featuring some Prima Taste stuff from Singapore. Not only noodles, but these little ready meal things that they make, which are really freaking good. So let's start with that. That's like the easiest thing ever. So this one is chicken clay pot rice. No, you can't get them in the US. You can get them in Singapore. So if you're watching from Singapore, hi, how you doing? Nice to meet you. I've been in your airport. I've been in Changi Airport for, well, we were going to Penang, connecting from Taiwan. And we literally had to run all the way from one end of the airport when we got off our what was it? When we got off our flight, and then we got on a Silk Air flight to Penang, and that was fun. It was kind of freaky. I mean, it was the first time we'd been in Asia before, and we were like, where are we going? What are we doing? Uh-oh, you know, so let's see, this one, it's 90 seconds at 800 watts with a little snip on the side. Okay. I've made these plenty of times before. They're very easy to make. But yeah, you just kind of mix it all up a little bit. And I like to push it down a little, making it easier at the end. And then just do a little slit like that. 800 watts, huh? Alright, 90 seconds, huh? So there goes that. My water is boiling for the noodles. See, I'm kind of doing a lot here. This is Prima Juzz's Me creamy chicken. This has been on the top 10 list before. I swear, if I had a top 20 list, you'd be surprised how many things would be on it, but I only do 10. That'd be... Whew. That'd be a lot of work. Alright. There's our noodles. And you can get this stuff in the States. I see it all the time. So, yeah. It's got a couple sachets. I started the timer. Can't forget that. Okay, so it's got 2 sachets. It's funny, right now I really don't know what episode number this is gonna be, but I know I'm getting close to my 500th episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and that's like, honestly, that's daunting. It doesn't seem like I've really done that many, but I guess I have, you know. And I mean, these are so informal and so easy to do that it's really not hard. But today, these are kind of just like rear reviews, so I don't know, you might see posts of this on the site. You'll see them on Facebook. Yeah, I'll put them on Facebook. So, yeah, you'll see them. Anyways, now to the macrowave. You might be like, you know, you've been playing the same song selection for the last week, dude. What gives? I really like it. That's the problem. I really like this, so you're gonna have to listen to it. This is a really old set of music that I picked for doing this show. This is the chicken clay pot rice. And you just dump it on in a bowl. I mean, you could eat it out of the bag, but I think it's nicer in a bowl. And yeah. Yeah. I like this stuff. I need to tilt down a little bit more. And look, rotato action. That, and I've got 33 seconds till the noodles are done, and this is already done. So these are called ready meals. They're super fast. I mean, obviously. If I were to put something on this, maybe a little, just a little spring onion. Maybe some sesame seed. I don't know. Just a little bit. And I don't know. I really like my my crispy onions, so I'd put a little bit of that on there. Like that. And there you go. They're, you know, they're pretty nice. There's a lot of nice, good-sized chunks of chicken in there and everything, so. Alright, now we gotta get to this, these noodles. So here we are. And this is like a tricky thing. Here, let me... There's 2 sachets, and we're gonna get them in here. You really gotta stir while you pour. That's like important, especially on these. There we go. Here's the creamer. Creamer. This isn't coffee. But it gives it more of a creaminess. So don't argue with that. You'd be a fool. Creaminess is next to more creaminess. Yeah, this is the one you really gotta stir. But it gets nice and thick. I really love this stuff. He's beautiful. It is your friend. And I haven't had this in a while, so I'm gonna give it a taste. Check these noodles out. They're wide. This is my son Andy's favorite instant noodle, and as far as chicken goes, yeah, I can't argue with that. Let me use this one. This is my poor old. I've had this bowl for ages, and it's got a couple chips on it that I have to like edit out in Photoshop, but I really like it. It's got some years of loving. So now we'll put some chicken. Like so. There's some chicken. I was gonna put an egg, but then I was thinking like, well, I don't know about an egg. I've done it before, but it just doesn't seem right. Which some might say about mung bean sprouts on this, but you know, I really like mung bean sprouts. This is how I eat it. I like to put mung bean sprouts in just about everything that I eat, if possible. Not on a sandwich usually, but if there was a logical way to use it in a sandwich, I'd probably use it in a sandwich. Gosh, that spot right there looks really, really open for an egg. Yeah, okay. Wide open for the egg. I usually don't pop these things in on the fly, but oh, you're gonna work with me today? You're gonna work with me today. Beautiful. Beautiful. Over here. There we go. And maybe a little... Wait a second. Don't even try that with me, egg. Let me get that out of there. Okay, and... No, I'm going with the tan. Tan sesame seeds. Tan in color. And for just a little pinch of heat, some chili flake. All right, and I think we're good. Look at that. In like under 10 minutes, we've got 2 different dishes all ready to go. So, yeah, and they're freaking good. All right, let's get you all up and close and personal. Pretend you're eating this meal. All right. Alright, well cool. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.